I like doing is, once I'm in half guard, I'm turning this way and trying to pass here. Okay, now a lot of times they're going to be pushing at your face and, yeah, defending their leg. Okay, so this arm's always floating out here. Okay, so a lot of times what I like doing is grabbing the Kimura lock here. Okay, even if I'm not going to get it yet, I use it to threaten to pass. Okay, now he's got to worry about the lock. Yeah, look, and I'll use it to pass. Okay, and then I'll come and finish from side control. Okay,
And you'll finish with the Kimura?
I'll finish with the Kimura. I'll keep the lock. If I have it already locked up, I'm going to keep it. Okay, you know, from any position, you keep it. Okay, if I'm here and I'm here, he's got me in half guard, and I have the, even if he doesn't let me out past the half guard. Okay, I'm still going to start coming up on this knee to try to finish it or to do something else. Okay, but I'm not letting go of this.
So for you to finish it, you would...
Either that, or I let him roll me. I let him come on top. See, I have that leg trap so he can't roll. Okay? So either way, I'm keeping that lock.
Professor, to build off of that, a lot of times when I'm in side control and I got the Kimura on someone, I almost feel like if I get too aggressive to try and get the Kimura, I'm going to be swept because I feel like my body weight's up. So what's the proper way?
Okay. You throwing your leg over the face or not?
I'm not.
Okay, that's your problem. You're here. When you have it on side control.
Yeah.
Okay. His defense is to keep the weight, my weight, on the lock. So if he rolls over towards the arm, see, look, I have to posture back to finish it. To give me space to break his arm. Okay? You're here, and you're leaning too far over, and you're getting rolled, correct?
Correct.
Okay. I want you leaning more back. Here. I care about you leaning too far there. I don't care how low you get on the other side.
Okay.
You can actually finish it without throwing the leg over as long as you get low enough. If I'm here, and I sink down, I can finish it right there. As long as I sink low. But the standard and basic way to finish it is here, switch your hip, and step over the face. Now I have a post to drive off of. Okay, so you want to step over the face, also so he can't raise up.
Okay.
Okay, that's the standard way to finish it.
All of that.
But that arm has got to be under you. If it was outside of you, it could be a danger, no? The
This?
other arm, yeah.
I don't care where it is.
I'd rather have it here, I think.
I don't care where it is.
Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. That arm doesn't matter.
My objective is try to get up, I guess.
No, your objective is to try to.
And then
Your objective is to try to defend and grab something. I don't care what you have to grab. Okay, that's your objective. You know, plain and simple.
Right.
Okay, this arm's going to get locked out. You got to keep it in. Okay, especially on side control. Half guard, you have options, but side control, you don't. You got to start fighting to grip something. Okay.
What's the best escape from
From side control,
from that kind of side control when you
don't get in it.
Okay. So it's good to be over when you're in there.
Well, here.
Well, not completely, but
No. Wash. Stop it. Okay. Okay. Now, once he gets his wrist locked, here, I'm in big trouble. I don't care what belt rank you are. Okay? There's a couple of escapes, but they're iffy. Okay? First thing you want to do is start trying to straighten your arm. Okay? Second, is you want to turn and start trying to bring this knee into play and strip the line. Here. Okay? Third, look, okay, lock it up. I want to start bringing my leg up. See how it breaks? The grip breaks? Here, watch. Yeah, keep the grip. I want to start bringing my leg up and try to catch my ankle. Now look, I straighten my leg, break the grip, and I put it back. But there's a couple of options. But here, those are like maybe you got a 30-40% chance. you don't want to be here.
Yeah.
Okay? It's a very controlling position. He's got the weight on you. I don't have him in a half guard. I can't control his lower body. So the best thing to do is always try to turn towards the lock. Put the weight on the lock.
Okay.
Turn towards the lock. Start grabbing. Bring your knee in. Start grabbing. Here.
Yeah.
Okay? And then start, use your hips to break, or do whatever you have to do to free your arm. Okay?
Can you do that motion that we did earlier on that?
No.
On the other side, or?
Because you'll break your own arm. Once he's got that locked up, you'll break your own arm.
Second question, would you give up side control to mount fully?
What do you mean?
I mean,
Would I go to mount and give up side control?
Yeah.
Mount's dominant. Mount's more dominant than side control. I would definitely, once I'm on side control, I always try to mount. And always. Oh, with the Kimura? Oh, no. Once I have that locked up from side control, I stay there. I don't want to mount with the Kimura and finish the Kimura from mount. Okay, because I lose the leverage. If I want to finish with the Kimura, if I want to mount, it's two different things. Okay?
From the half guard, I'm in your half guard. Now, not that one, not the one down here. There's another sweep that I can't remember when we switched something with the legs. I don't know if the underhook is in or out. You know what?
I don't know what you're talking about.
So I'm here, and you do something with your legs, and next thing I know, I'm doing this.
Okay, you switch your base. This is the one where you switch your base.
Okay.
So come down, hug the head, and switch the base.
So if I'm,
Yes.
okay, I'm trying to get out.
Okay, so here's what we were going over before. I was going over that. Okay, this is my typical half guard. I want to be able to do this freely with my legs. See? Here to here. See?
Mhm.
Okay, so once I'm here, you pull your leg out. Okay, you can't.
Right.
Pull your leg out. You still can't. Okay, it's a good clamping position. See how I have your trap here?
Right.
I would actually even like it better to feed the arm and catch the arm here. Now once I have this, I let go of this leg and I kick the hook up. And you keep it. Yeah, sure. So you can't come on top. Is that the one you mean?
That's the one.
Okay.
On the
So it's the same,
Okay, yeah,
doing the same